Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by testing and balancing water chemistry. Balanced water helps cooling methods work properly. Once levels are good, deploy shade immediately. An umbrella, sail, or reflective screen cuts direct solar heating. While shade is up, put a lightweight 1/2 cover overnight to trap cooler night air and a reflective tarp when the pool is idle in daylight to bounce sunlight. Make sure to move covers carefully so you don't stir warm surface layers into the main body of water. Now focus on circulation and active cooling. Run your pump 8-12 hours a day, prioritizing early morning and late evening, when air is coolest to pull cold surface water through the filter. Once done, add a fountain or spray header to increase evaporation. Evaporation is the most efficient way to remove heat. If you need a faster drop, float sealed frozen jugs or insulated ice packs at the intake to cool water entering the pump. Make sure they won't clog skimmers and are secured so they finish by implementing longer-term measures. Install reflective fence panels or shade cloth around the pool to reduce radiant load and maintain your pump schedule. Monitor temperatures daily with a floating digital thermometer and expect a realistic 3-6 degrees Fahrenheit drop over 24-48 hours with combined steps. If you don't see cooling, troubleshoot. Check pump flow for blockages, ensure covers aren't trapping heat by sitting in the sun, and verify shade placement. Adjust circulation or add more evaporation surface until temperatures respond.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.